Alex, Luca, welcome. Thanks for making time in your busy schedules here in Berlin at the Euroseeds Congress. And in fact, this is the second time that we're meeting together. And that is, of course, because your company 3U Vision is making some big waves. If we can
we can say like this.
If we can say it that way. The last time we met, you mentioned, and I quote, the real benefit we bring is our knowledge of the visual system. Our state-of-the-art machines are built with specific features designed for the seed sector. I want to hear more about those features. Tell me about those features.
So, Marcel, thank you for having us, first of all. True Vision is a new company, and we decided to do a new machine with no compromise. So, especially for the seed industries where the quality and the purity is really important, we decided to develop some new features. So, just to make it the story short, our machines has standard RGB and then IR cameras, so which help a lot for some kind of defects, and also the number of air ejectors in the machine. We have an ejection pitch of 3.2 millimeters, which help a lot for very small seeds, and also the density of these air ejectors. It helps us to reach very good capacity. So for the customer, it's important to buy a small machine, but don't losing capacities. So it's good for the industry.
Yeah. Exciting features. Yeah. Great. But in fact, 3U Vision is a fairly young company. It's 2009, I think, 19. And 19, yes, 19, 2019. And so, but the company may be young, but you have some of the best expertise attracted. Yeah. How did you form the company?
Actually, the company, the family, the Uzzo family, which is, because True Vision is a family business. So, this family has a very big history and expertise in sorting vision, sorting solutions. So Antonio, the owner, started in the business in the late 60s. So after different companies and different, setup and compromise, he decided with his sons in 2019 to start with True Vision. True Vision is, as I said before, a company it's a new company with a lot of expertise, born to be focused on optical sorting machines, which it's the future, in our opinion, of the cleaning line for seeds, but also for other products, because it's where the technology is. So mechanical cleaning, it's really important, but it's always the same. So with the sorting machines, with the new features, with the enhancing of the technology, you have possibilities to do always different kind of things and to solve problems to our customers and new problems that can coming out.
Sure. But we just talked about 2019, and in fact your company was formed just before the pandemic.
Yes.
And you formed the company, the pandemic hit, but you used that downtime to really focus on your product, on innovation.
When you start a company, of course you invest money and you want to having it back as soon as possible. Of course, we made a business plan, we prepared everything, but the pandemic, it's been not good, not for all, but for us, it's been a very hard hit, let's say. But we decided to invest this time at our best. So the only things possible was to be focused and put all our energy in our project. And let's say that the effort bring us some good results. So after the pandemic, even if it was not easy to reach customers, and we were really not unknown in the market, but those customers that gave us their trust, so they tried the machine with their product, they see the results, they were really surprised, because actually we were able to do something that before was not possible. So this has been, of course, at the beginning, let's say a bad end for us, but but in the end, we used that time to be more prepared and to have now something that makes us really proud, actually.
Luca, I want to check in with you a little bit. And you mentioned that the people are surprised, positively surprised. They're impressed when they see your technology. But of course, as with every company, as time goes by, you need to further innovate both your hardware and your software. And you need to make sure that you know what the needs are of your customers. Luca, what would you say are the needs of your customers?
So let's say that talking about seed producers mainly, because we're here, of course.
Yeah.
So they always strive for quality, for enhanced quality all the time. That's the reason why we try to be as flexible as possible and to improve our technology with time, of course, with practice, because it's a matter of trying and testing all the products on all the varieties that are right now on the market. But in terms of needs of like seed producers that we're facing today, it will be like this ever-going need for quality enhancing, and that's the reason why we try to keep the pace with that. Mm-hmm. So that was also meant for, I mean, their goal is to get the best product possible, to get the best germination possible. So we try to just meet these needs accordingly. So.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, awesome. We are here at the EuroSeeds Congress in Berlin, and you're here to meet both European customers as well as potential customers from the Americas.
Correct.
Let's focus on Europe a little bit. 3U Vision is an Italian company. What makes your technology specifically attractive to European customers?
I would say that it's hard to say that it's specifically attractive for European market,
right?
Because I think, and Alex I think agrees with me, machines, our technology can be attractive for basically, it's attractive worldwide. Mm-hmm. We chose to be here and to be present mainly in Europe because I would say it's easier for us from Italy to move to do the first step here as a market, as a marketplace. And the feedback that we got so far in the European market was very pleasing for us. So that was like you can say like an obvious move, but
to be here, correct.
That was like first step we had to do. Technology-wise, it's let's say it's state of the art right now, and customers are providing this feedback as well on the European market. Mm-hmm. So it was I would say first good step to do.
Yeah, fantastic. Let's circle a bit towards the Americas.
Yeah.
Alex, there is of course a lot of overlap between the customers, but there are also some unique differences. Can you zoom in a little bit on that?
Yeah, no, I mean, just to finish, we will be present, for example, to the ASTA in Chicago in December. So just to enter also in the North American and South American market. Unfortunately, we don't have the possibility to go to the South American meeting because for other exhibition at the same time. So it's been not easy for us. But next year, probably we'll do both. And we started here, as Luca said, in Europe because Italy and in Europe it was more easy, to find to reach the customers, especially because of the pandemic. But now, of course, we have people in North America. We have start finding customers, or to also with the ASTA to start our business in seeds also in North America and South America, Chile, Argentina, which are very important markets for us. So absolutely, and I think this kind of events is very helpful because you can meet everyone in the industry. So if someone didn't answer you to the email, you can face to face ask him why. No, I'm joking, but no, it's interesting because actually you can connect with everyone in just one place. So it's super, super, super interesting.
Awesome. Thank you, guys. Good luck with your product.
Thank you very much. Thank you.